Hey guys, welcome back. Today I decided to do something a little different, and instead of getting ready with you guys and doing a full-on makeup tutorial, I thought I would get unready with you and show you how I take my makeup off and get ready for bed. It's my favorite time. Actually, breakfast is my favorite time, but this is my second favorite time. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and put my hair up and just get started. So first I'm going to talk about my cleansers, and the cleanser that I use to remove my makeup is still the same. I feel like I've been using this for a really long time. It's the Philosophy Purity Cleanser, and it's really milky, so I feel like it really kind of just melts the makeup on my skin. So first I wet my face and then get a very generous amount of this product and really massage it into my skin and remove my makeup. And I do this about 2 times, and this even removes my lashes, which is why I love it. So after my Purity Cleanser, that's just to remove my makeup, I'll move on to my second cleanser. And I alternate between these two, and it's the Is Clinical Cleansing Complex or the Dermalogica Special Cleansing Gel. Both of them are great. I have this usually in the shower, and this is usually by my sink. This stuff is so good. It's great if you have acne-prone skin. It's just really good for sensitive skin, and it's a very gentle cleanser. So I'll use this, and that way I make sure my makeup is nice and clean. About once or twice a week I will also mask, and today I'm gonna go ahead and mask just so you guys can see the whole shebang. And I usually like to use clarifying masks either in the shower or in this case outside the shower. So if I'm in the shower, I'll use those 5-minute masks. I have a couple that I just alternate between. The ones I use in the shower are just really simple exfoliating masks that you leave on for about 5 minutes and then rinse it off. But these you gotta leave on for a little bit longer. So today I'm either gonna use the Dermalogica Charcoal Rescue Mask or the Origins Out of Trouble 10-minute mask. Both of these are great. I did pick up my face yesterday, so you're gonna see quite a few blemishes around this area. So my skin is nice and clean. See what I was talking about with the breakouts? I picked at these. They were just blackheads. I could have left them alone. I decided to go with the Dermalogica Charcoal Rescue Mask today. And I always apply my mask in circular motion so that it really gets into the skin, into the pores. If you guys have any favorite masks, please leave them in the comments below. I'm always looking for new masks I can try. Oh my god, we just finished watching Unorthodox on Netflix, and wow, what an incredible show. I was literally thinking about it all night. It's so good. What shows are you guys watching now on Netflix or any other networks? And I always bring my mask down to my neck area because I always break out around here. Very rarely here, so I don't know what happened there. So this is another quick mask. The direction says leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes, massage it with wet hands, so kind of dampen the skin, and then rinse it off. So this is great. I'm gonna go ahead and let this dry for 3 to 5 minutes, wash it off, and I'll see you in a minute. I just took a quick shower to remove the mask and just relax a little bit more. I wanted to mention that this mask is really strong, so if you are going to use it, make sure to leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes like it says, because it creates redness otherwise. If you want something a little bit more gentle, definitely recommend the Origins Out of Trouble 10-minute mask. It's one of my favorites. They make such amazing masks. Anyway, so my skin is nice and clean. It feels so tight. I'm gonna move on to my serums. So the first serum that I'm gonna use is this lactic acid serum that I've been using for the past 2 weeks. It's actually a lab sample that Tenny sent me. It's from her skincare line called Monday Born, and I've been really enjoying this. It's just one of those really gentle serums. So first I'm gonna put that on. So before this, I was using the PCA retinol, and then I was having some packaging issues with that. So I switched to the cosmetics retinol, and now I'm just using the lactic acid. But this is literally almost done, so I don't know how I'm gonna scrape some of this out. So I'm just putting this all over. It's got a very tacky consistency. So after this, I will use another serum only around the areas that I'm breaking out. I'm definitely gonna scar here and it's gonna hurt, but second serum that I like to use whenever I'm breaking out or to just prevent breakouts is this Is Clinical Active Serum. I think this is their best selling product, and it is most definitely the best product that they have. If you have acne prone skin, I highly recommend it. It's like magic in a bottle. It's definitely pricey, but totally worth it. So I just apply a little bit and then really massage it in. It is going to tingle around where you have acne, blemishes, blackheads, anything like that. Okay, so moving on to my eye cream. I'm using a lot of Is Clinical products. This is not a sponsored video. I feel like I always have to clarify that. I just really love the brand, and I think they make really amazing skincare products for acne-prone skin or just sensitive skin in general. So anyway, with that said, I'm gonna use the Is Clinical Youth Eye Complex. When it comes to eye creams, I'm all about gentle, very lightweight eye creams, and I'm not married to one specifically. I mean, I love this one, but I do have a few more on my vanity that I'll kind of alternate depending on what I'm in the mood for. This is a really good one. And whatever's left over, I just put it on my neck. Sorry, the sun is coming out and I don't know if my lighting is changing. Around 5 o'clock, this lighting gets crazy. Anyway, moving on to my moisturizer, I'm using the Is Clinical Reparative Moisture Emulsion. Yes, another Is Clinical product. I love this so much. It's very, very hydrating, so it's great for dry skin, but again, it's awesome for acne prone or sensitive skin. So I just use one pump, not a lot, and I'll really massage this and like kind of press it onto my skin, focusing around this area. And then I use a second moisturizer as well, and this is super rich and hydrating, so I'll just use one pump. To this, I'll also mix a hyaluronic acid serum, and this one is by Cosmetics. Grab one pump, really mix it in, and then apply this on my forehead and my neck. So before my skincare products dry, I use a gua sha or a jade roller, whatever you have, and I usually keep these in the freezer because it just feels so good on the skin. So I just use this for about 5 minutes. This is great for lymphatic drainage, and it also depuffs the skin. And by no means am I an expert on how to use this, so you can definitely Google some tutorials you can take a look at. But this just works for me. It's just a quick way of massaging my skin. And then I love using this on my neck. You're supposed to wiggle it when you get to the bottom. And then lastly, I'll use a lip balm so that my lips are nice and hydrated. This one is by Fresh. It's the peach flavor one, and it smells so good. I love this one. I used to use the caramel, which I still do, but this one is my new favorite. Whatever lip balm I have on my hand, I just put it on my cuticles, and that's it. So that is it for my nighttime skincare routine. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I know I always share morning routines, but like very rarely do I share a nighttime routine. So I hope you guys liked it, and let me know if there's anything specific you want to see next. Stay safe. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah. Bye guys. After cleansing myself twice, let's get unready. It depuffs.